Really? A horse? A flipping horse? You want to become a horse? Okay, guys. Listen. If you want to get the horse in Dead Rails, easy. Easy! Anybody can do that. You know, you can show your grandma this tutorial, she will get a horse. You can show your sister, bang, horse. Your mom, a horse. Everybody becomes a horse in this video, okay? Comment down below horse, okay? Comment down below horse. If you comment down below horse, you'll be awarded a game pass out of your choosing, okay? You can choose any game pass. You can get the Mauser. You can get the sawed-off shotgun. Look at these two beautiful weapons on the walls, you know? You can get these two weapons if you comment down below horse. But if you want your mom to be a horse, I'll be explaining to you how you can do that, okay? Very simple. Very simple. Listen, okay? Do not get distracted. When you go to this location right here, follow along. You want to take a left, okay? Take a left right here. This is the location of the horse. And you want to go through these two things, bang. And then you want to jump over, poop, and then poop. So you see there's like two arrows. Which one do you choose? You never know. You choose the nightmare, you choose the normal. But there is a horse mode, okay? There's a horse mode. There's a horse mode. If you want to become the horse, select horse mode. When is it gonna become a horse mode? Nobody knows. The developer knows. Join the Discord of Dead Rails and you will find out.